This March, Sheffield will celebrate the first ever Page Hall Festival, a celebration of community and the voices of the people who live here. As part of the festival, Greentop Community Circus organized free juggling workshops for families in the area under the Page Hall Smiles initiative. Greentop Community Circus Centre is the only circus school in Yorkshire and was established in 1995 and is one of the 3 UK circus schools providing accredited level training courses in circus skills. The juggling workshops were held online. Families and children participated online using household items. The Page Hall Festival program will be broadcast across the 26th and 27th of March via the festival website. Through an online showcase, the festival will invite residents of all backgrounds and generations of Page Hall to share their stories of belonging, community, pride, and unity.